So at that point, as the CEO talking to us saying, we had one compound, we had 2 indications, the drug failed in both. That's it. This is the end of the road. We plan to disband the company and we will give you each a severance package. So for the first time in my life, I got a severance package.
And also this is right off the back of BioMarin as well, which was just homers, just hitting homers. And so I can't imagine how you were feeling. It was kind of like a stark contrast.
Very stark contrast, because BioMarin by then was a stable company. I could count that it wasn't really going to go down. I could count that I was getting paid my salary and my benefits and my stock options. And then I trade all of that to take this risk, right? Which ends up, from that perspective, not panning out. However, the risk does pan out. So let me tell you how it all makes sense. Nora Therapeutics, I discovered a huge hole in the market. I discovered that companies like Nora Therapeutics were not able to find a single end-to-end provider of online patient enrollment. And I knew that this was a hole because I went to try to find it and I couldn't find companies that were doing it either end-to-end enough or well enough, right? And so at Nora, what I gain from that experience is the understanding that there is a huge problem in this market that affects pretty much every single biopharma company and that is currently not being solved properly. And so when I leave Nora Therapeutics, I say, I'm not going to go get another job. I'm going to go and I'm going to start a company. And I'm going to start a company that is going to do what I just discovered that I couldn't find a good company to do.